Your dad came up with the name as well for the group, Angelic Express?
Yes,
what does it mean?
It's angel-like people on the move.
Mm-hmm. So you're angel-like girls,
So
people
we're just
on the
spreading our
move.
message.
You're getting it done.
Yeah.
What's your goal? What's your dream for Angelic Express?
To reach the youth, try to get to them.
The young and old alike.
Listen, if the young people that are watching the show today, and there are many and parents alike as well, and they've miscommunicated with them, they don't really, have that bond that you have with your parents. What is the biggest misconception that parents have with children, that the children are trying to say to them, but the parents don't get?
I think it's the generation gap.
What do you
honestly.
mean by that?
Like a lot of the things that the parents did back when they were younger is different now, and how they cope with their problems back then and stuff, and how they went to their parents with things. It changed over the years a lot.
You agree with that, Jessica?
Yes, I agree with that. Yes.
You do?
Yeah.
Well, do you want to elaborate a little more? Did you?
Oh no, it's okay.
Because we want to talk about this more when we come back from our break, because we just have to take a break. But actually, when we come back from the break, the girls are going to be singing, and then we're going to get back to the interview, because you just have to see exactly how magnificent they are. We're going to have their information posted there on the screen for you as well, so that you can contact them. They have been performing from state to Mississippi to Alabama. They've performed for the St. Louis Cardinal Care.